Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Vegas Pro with Deep Learning Model on Windows 11. First of all, I am going to download Vegas Pro. Open web browser. I am using Google Chrome. You can use any web browser. Type here in Google search bar, download Vegas Pro. Press enter. Go to first link, www.vegascreativesoftware.com. Let's click on it. Now the official Vegas website is open. Let's scroll down. In this video demonstration, I am going to download free trial. Let's click on free trial. Check on I am not a robot. Click on Start Download. If the downloading is not start, you can click on it here. Check on I am not a robot. Click on Start Download. Now the downloading is started. It is 6.1 megabit setup. Now the downloading is completed. Let's close web browser. Go to this PC. Click on Downloads. Here it is Vegas Pro downloaded setup file. Let's right-click on it. Click Open. Click on Yes. Let's close Downloads. Click on Continue. Now the Vegas Pro 22 and Vegas Deep Learning models is downloading. You will have to wait until the downloading is finished. Now the downloading is completed. Setup will continue. Preparing file for installation. Starting installation. Choose language. I am going with English United States. Click OK. Welcome to Vegas Pro 22. In this demo video, I am not checking send data anonymously to improve Vegas products. Click on Agree and install. Now the Vegas Pro is installing. You will have to wait until the installation is finished. The installation has been completed successfully. Click on Finish. Now the Vegas Pro 22 Deep Learning Model installation started. Choose language. Default is English US. I am go with default language. Click OK. Click Agree and install. Now the installation is started. It will take some time. You will have to wait until the installation is finished. The installation has been completed successfully. Click on Finish. Go to Start. Type Vegas. Click on Vegas Pro 22.0. As I earliest talk in this video demonstration, I am using trial version. Click on Start Trial Version. Click Register Now. Register Product. Click Proceed. Type your information. Set password. Click Complete the registration. The activation code will go on email ID. Open mail ID which one you fill the info page. Click the following link to access your personal activation code. Let's click on it. Now copy this trial code. Open Vegas software. Paste the trial key. Click Register Now. You can now use your trial version for 30 days. Click OK. Click Test Program. Let's close web browser. Now the Vegas Pro software is open. This is Vegas Pro software interface. Let's close Vegas software. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to complete install Vegas Pro and Deep Learning Model on Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.